Hello, welcome to Afro News South Africa. Please kindly subscribe and share. Turn the notification on so you would be notified each time we upload a new video. Former President Jacob Zuma can be again in courtroom docket at the 10th of October for his Fingers Deal corruption trial, which has been dragging for a protracted time. He is contending that recommend Billy Downer, the kingdom prosecutor in this situation, recuse himself as he isn't always healthy to proceed. Zuma is likewise pursuing personal prosecution of Billy Downer and journalist Karen Morgan, who are being accused of violating the legal guidelines once they leaked the previous President Jacob Zuma's private clinical records. ANC veteran Karl Nijhaus stated he can be in Pietermaritzburg to guide former president as he seems in courtroom docket at the stated date. He had been calling the prices trumped up, and they need to be withdrawn and allow Zuma relaxation. On Monday the 10th of October I can be there on the Pietermaritzburg High Court to guide President Jacob Zuma. I name on all and sundry who can accomplish that to return back and display your guide, stated Karl Nijhaus. Zuma's backers need the courtroom docket to allow former President Jacob Zuma relaxation and positioned in quit to this Fingers Deal case, which has been dragging for over 20 years. They argue that even different former presidents have been concerned on this Fingers Deal, however it's far handiest Zuma who's allowed to take the fall. I assume it is a time for the courtroom docket to allow Zuma to move domestic and relaxation. He is very vintage to move up and down. If they accept as true with that he is responsible, higher to condemn him as soon as than to maintain suspending the baseless allegations without enough evidence, stated Zuma's backer. Nkosensha Shizi, a staunch supporter of Zuma and RET champion with inside the KwaZulu-Natal province, has additionally discovered that he can be on the Pietermaritzburg High Court to guide former president. Again, for weeks, for the reason that Monday 4th of October 2022, the Judicial Service Commission is busy with interview of 42 applicants for 20 vacant posts in South Africa's advanced courts. The Judicial Service Commission brings collectively 23 contributors of the three fingers of presidency, which can be Parliament of the Republic of South Africa, the government and the judiciary in a single room, and offers them identical voice and identical votes. This have been the commander and leader who is a part of the panel the day before today meet the advocate Thembeka Nkukatobi. The commander-in-chief of the economic freedom fighters Julius Sello Malema becomes so happy, over the moon welcoming advocate Thembeka Nkukatobi to the Judicial Service Commission. President of the Republic of South Africa Cyril Madamela Ramaphosa has knowledgeable political events that he had appointed to recommend Thembeka Nkukatobi to the Judicial Service Commission, JSC. This is why Julius Sello Malema welcomed him.